Greetings, SAT test prep students. This is list number 10, week whatever we're on, for learning vocabulary terms. This is your video for this PowerPoint presentation. First term, foil. It's a verb, means to hinder or prevent the efforts, plans, or desires of something. So in other words, you foiled their experiment, or you foiled their plans, or it's been foiled. So you can put an ed on the end of it when writing your sentences. Second term, vilify. Fun sounding word, vilify. It is, in this case, another verb. It means to spread negative information about. To spread negative information about. It's kind of like villainy. I wonder where we got that term from. Grapple is our next one. Grapple. It's kind of like a grape and an apple, if you ask me, but that's not the right way. It means to come to terms with. It means like wrestle with or ponder with, to come to terms with. Again, a verb, action word. Grandiloquent. Grandiloquent. Sounds pretty grandiloquent. Basically, it's pompous or extravagant in language, style, or manner, especially in a way that is intended to impress. So when you show up to the prom, you are quite grandiloquent. No, you can't use that sentence now, folks. Sorry. Adjective in this case, trying to explain or express pompous or extravagant. Outlandish is another way of putting that, folks. Pall. Not pale, but Paul or pal or whatever. Depends on your pronunciation and which place you put your emphasis or emphasis, as they say. Noun. This is a sudden, numbing dread. It's when you feel, oh crud, this is not going to go well. Malice. Malice is a fun word. This one literally means to desire to cause pain, misery, or suffering to other people. It is a verb, again an action word. Malice, desire to cause pain, misery, or suffering. That sounds just so pleasant, doesn't it? Such a lovely way to start your day with malice. Prowess is our next term. Prowess. Again, a noun, a superior skill that you can learn by study and practice and observation. That has to do with being able to learn something. It's the ability to, it's not like an innate skill. Prowess has to do with being learned. Next, we have semblance. A noun, an outward or token appearance or form that is deliberately misleading, meaning that it is not the right thing. You're trying to show off and mislead someone. Show off and mislead someone. That is semblance, token of appearance or form that is deliberately misleading. Next we have tout. Tout, a verb. Advertise in strongly positive terms. And, tweet, tout, you guys should know that one by now. Fortitude. That sounds like a fun word, fortitude. Fortitude. Noun, strength of mind that enables one to endure adversity with courage. In other words, you got the fortitude and the guts to keep going no matter what happens. And that is the end of our show. All right, guys, take it easy. Have a good one.